All right, here it is. So it looks complicated, but it's not really. So we got the frame and motor running the front two tires, motor running the back two, and there's a motor in here that controls the wheels or the steering. I got a 9.7 volt battery in there. It's basically two power regulators that are basically wall adapters to take the 9.7 volts and put 8 volts to the motor drivers and 5 volts to the Raspberry Pi computer. So the motor controllers are controlled by the Pi by these 3 wires, basically a throttle, and 2 in combination control forward, backwards, or stop. And the other thing the computer's doing is making a web page where it can be controlled. So you can see here the camera. Just wave my hand. Right. So this joystick, well, I've got this one, but it's not working yet, and it's getting complicated. So I can basically control the car from here. So let's move up the bench. Whoa! I hit this shit, and I think my throttle is too fast. Let me just turn the throttle down, something more reasonable. So the other thing about this, the camera, and you can actually see it good with the phone. That's 2 IR flashlights, and the camera is basically an IR camera. So if I turn off all my lights here, and let's drive it up to the garage door. All right. We look here, we can see it very clear. So let me just bring her out. Whoa! It's very hard to drive straight right now. Let me back up a bit. See if I can turn it. Yeah, so the steering isn't the best yet. It's very sensitive, and the chassis is shit. Look at this. So this is the problem, right? It's way too much give in it. So what I'm probably going to do is take all of these pieces out and take this out and just kind of reconnect it all, because I need to get that fixed first before I can start figuring out how to put this in. Yeah, man. So that's it.